Greetings, everyone. I go by the name Abiot Ledwaba. You're probably asking yourself who I am and what I'm all about. As my initial state, it's AML. I am a magnificent leader. And I'm from Abiot Ledwaba Leadership, and I'm here to develop more magnificent leaders. How I intend on doing so is by hosting conventions for young magnificent leaders, and I invite more magnificent leaders that share their story, not share secrets on success, but share their story, because South Africans are generally storytellers and we understand stories better. So if I stand here and I share my story with you, I'll be motivating you to make a difference. And that's how I intend on developing more magnificent leaders. I'll be doing school talks. I've already started with that. I do school talks. And one thing that I've realized about young people is that they need a peer for them to understand them better. Instead of getting a 50-year-old to go motivate an 18-year-old, why don't you get a 20-year-old to motivate someone who's in matric, to give them their secrets on how to pass matric? I'm only 20 years old, and which is why I am standing here to develop more magnificent leaders. We need leaders. We don't need entrepreneurs. We do. Listen, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. What I mean by we need more leaders is because we need people that set a good example. We need more people like that. It's fine. You may be an entrepreneur, but you find that for you to become that entrepreneur that you are, you have to go through corruptions or whatever. We need leaders, people who set an example. I'm Abiot Ledwaba, AML, a magnificent leader from Abiot Ledwaba Leadership, and I'm here to make a difference. Oh yeah!